What's going on, YouTube? Today I have a cool video for you because I'm going to show you just how you can find a winning position no matter what the market conditions say. So sit back, relax, take some notes, and let's get started on channel trading. So, what is channel trading? Channel trading is when you see a stock moving either upwards, sideways, or downwards, and you see it kind of trading in what we call a channel. Pretty simple, right? You can see a consistent pattern the stock likes to go in. Right here is upward. Right here is kind of sideways, and it looks like it's going upward again. So what can we do to really visualize this as a new trader? First thing we can do is let's make this time frame a little bit smaller for us because we're more worried about the past 6 months. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove all my studies. That way we just have a plain chart. We're just looking at the chart here at this point. And I'm going to go to, let's see, drawing tools. And I'm going to go to this little symbol right here, which represents channel. So how the channel works is you identify an upward trend or a downward trend. Remember, if you've seen that in the past, you know exactly what we refer to here. And you can be a little bit arbitrary with this. You can kind of go this wide if you want, or you can just look at the past 3 touches. Remember, if it touches it 3 times, it's a verified trend for us. So if we do this, and then we go upward here, we can find a consistent high. We can see that this stock is trading in a channel right here. And if you look, let me get this my pointer finger right here for us. There we go. All right, so if you look, we're trading in a nice little upward channel right now. What that tells me is every time we touch this trend line right here, that's a good time to buy, and your exit should be the top of this channel up here. So in this case, roughly $98. So we bought WYX at, I actually got in at $85.93 here, and then I'm going to be targeting $98, probably $98.40, just depends on what I want here. If I want to be a little more conservative, I could target this current resistance line, which is 95. However, if I want to be a little more aggressive, I could actually keep riding this channel to higher highs. We'll just see how it works out when I'm at that situation in time. But right now, this is a great setup. This is an easy tool that you can use right here called the channel. They are really good for stocks that don't go up and down like crazy. They're good for stocks that don't typically follow the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ. You want to use these for stocks that are a little more independent, and you learn that by looking at the stock itself and comparing it to the SPY, the NASDAQ, the QQQ, and seeing how it looks in comparison on the same time frame. So if I go to the 6 months, 4 hours, as you can see, the QQQ is kind of all over the place. This one you can clearly see has been going up and down pretty tight in an upward direction. So this is a good identifier that this is a good stock that doesn't really reflect on the market conditions that happen with the QQQ or the standard news you see out there. So that's the stocks you want to find for trading, because the last thing you want is some report coming out that affects the bank sector like we have right now. That brings down the whole market. But in our case right here, WIX doesn't really care what's been happening with rates lately. They're just doing their own thing and they're going their own direction. That's the stocks you want to find. You have to pay a little bit more on the spread sometimes, but if you're smart with it, you can find yourself an awesome opportunity anywhere in the market and you can give yourself a trading edge. Conservative move right here, easy $10 swing trade. I got about 260 shares on this, so I am looking forward to seeing this play out. If you want to check out more videos, guys, check out the link in the description below. It'll take you right to our YouTube channel. It'll also take you to the TradeUI site if you want to utilize their tools to find these opportunities. And last thing I have on this, guys, is there's several educational videos we have on this channel right now. So go ahead, check them out, give them a like, comment what you want to see educational wise. That way we can start putting out content that makes you a better trader. And guys, I hope y'all have a great trading week.